Miranda here doing life, and today in my life I'm finally going to unbox my Boxycharm Premium for February 2020. This is a $35 box. Last month was the first month that I had gotten off of the wait list. I loved everything in the box. It was amazing. I gave most of it to my daughter-in-law, but I did keep the Too Faced palette, which had highlighter and bronzer and blush in it, and it was really pretty and I love it. So that's what I'm wearing today. All right, the theme for today is, or this month, is adore. And to be honest, we're gonna get real here. I already filmed this video once. I filmed it, went to put the SD card in my laptop, no video. Have no idea what happened to it. So this is the second time that I am looking in this box. All right, this is what it looks like on the inside. I do have version 23, and we're just gonna get to the smoke of it all. This thing, am I gonna get into the drama of it? No, I'm not, because I'm not a drama channel and I don't care. But this is by Fascia, I think it is. It's a 24 karat gold foil moisturizer. The only thing that I am going to say about it is that I feel like Boxycharm is not going to put shitty products in my box. So I trust them until they personally prove me wrong. I'm gonna keep going with whatever they say. It is cruelty free and it's a gorgeous bottle or container. I mean, it's gonna be so pretty just sitting on the vanity. It does, to me, it's that gel. I prefer a creamier one. This, it kind of looks like honey to me. I don't know why, but it doesn't smell like honey. It smells like moisturizer. Not overpowering, just a moisturizer. And I will tell you that I did put some on my hand earlier and it dried down very nice. I had gotten another gel moisturizer in another box, the Il Masquer or whatever it's called. I did not like it. It was tacky the whole time. It dried out my skin. So I'm actually kind of curious to see how this works. You know, why not? It is worth $100. All right. So just getting past this little gem right there. The next item in my box is the Coors Coconut Guava Body Butter. Now I'm excited for one to get a body butter because the last body butter that we got in FabFitFun that everybody raved about and was wonderful and amazing and awesome got confiscated by TSA. Yep. I'm a ding dong, and I decided I was just gonna throw it in my carry-on bag because my skin gets dry on the airplane. I've never done that. I have never, ever, ever, ever put something that was more than 3 ounces in my bag. I got that confiscated, and my husband's, what was it, contact solution. Yeah. All right, so this stuff is worth $32. This rich, luxurious body butter deeply softens, smooths, and nourishes the skin. Our Shea Butter Moisturizer is the perfect lotion for dry skin, helping to improve elasticity and smoothness. I rubbed it on my arm earlier. For the sake of this video, I will do it again. And it is very, very soft. It's really nice, like on your elbows. Are you guys the type that if you miss a spot when you're putting on moisturizer, you have to go back and like fix it? I have to. I can't stand for everything to be all nice and smooth and have that like initial kind of wet feeling and then feel like something dry. I'm weird, I know. All right. The next item in here that I'm going to pull out is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. this is what the box looks like. I got the Glow Recipe sleeping mask. It smells amazing and it works really good too. I think the bottle is super pretty and the mist is really good. Can you guys see? And yeah, it just smells, oh, it smells amazing. I think you're only supposed to put like 2 drops, but, or 10, whatever. Whatever makes you happy. Do I look glowy? Let me know. All right, let's see. Immerse skin into hydrating mist, so ultra fine and delicate. It envelops your skin like a dreamy morning fog. Okay. This formula is packed with a juicy blend of 84% watermelon, hyaluronic acid, and hibiscus AHAs to refresh skin and enhance makeup. It is worth $28. All right, then the next item that I'm going to show you is the Ambient Lighting Blush Lumiere Hourglass. So it's a blush. I already have it on my hand because, you know, we established earlier that I've already done this video for myself once. The packaging is really pretty. So that's what the packaging looks like. It's just a cute little compact there. But look at that, isn't it pretty? It's like that marbled. Didn't we get something like by Ciate London, I think, that had that? And it is super duper soft. Like, it's really soft. I love it. And it comes with a little mirror. Blush to me is like lipstick. Don't leave the house without it. I love blush. I love lipstick. All right. Did I tell you how much that was worth? Let's see. Discover a new way to blush. This groundbreaking hybrid combines the customized lighting effects of ambient lighting powder with a spectrum of breathtakingly modern hues. The result is seamless. It's worth $40. $40. All right, the next thing I'm going to show you is the Sutra Beauty Ceramic Flat Iron. I think they all came in like this baby blue color. It is really nice. I'm just gonna push it down just a little bit for you. I'm going to tell you that I do not need a flat iron. I have a Shea, and it's in a pink peacock design, and I love it. So I don't need a flat iron. I did also buy one for Haley for Christmas. I think it was that Foxy Bay or something like that, and she really likes it, so she doesn't need another one either. So guess what? How about we give it to one of you guys? If you need a new hair straightener, then I will give it to you. But I will tell you at the end of the video what you've got to put in the comments to be able to win the hair straightener. It is worth $79.99. The magnetized ceramic plates deliver consistent heating along the entire length of the plates for silky smooth hair. So that is a nice win for one of you guys, and it's double what I paid for the box, so that is another win. All right, and then the next thing we have is the Tarte High Performance Naturals Base Tape. It's a hydrating primer. If you've been around me for a while, you know I love primer. Today I have on the Yenza primer, and I love it. This is what it looks like. And it's a great primer. A lot of people really love it. It does not do well on my skin. I'm not sure why, but every time I use it, it seems to separate on my skin and make my foundation separate. So I'm going to give it to one of you guys. It's 12-hour hydration, coconut infused, smooth appearance, extends wear of your foundation. It is worth, I don't remember, $30. So we'll say 80, 90, 110, $110 worth of products you're going to get by watching this video. And of course, being a subscriber, I will be checking. Let's see. Yeah, $30. All right, so the box is supposed to be worth at least $250. I'll put it across the screen right here how much my box was actually worth for version number 23. Let me know if you guys got a different version, and if you want to win or be a part of this giveaway, then I want you to put in the comments Valentine, because you guys can be my February Valentine and win the hair straightener and the base tape. If you have Instagram, I'll put my Instagram link down below. I hope that you will join that as well. It is a very easy way for me to contact you. So I hope that you will do that. And I usually am all over the stories bandwagon. I love using the Instagram stories. All right, I hope everybody has a lovely day. Don't forget to enter that giveaway and hit the subscribe and notification bell. I do all kinds of unboxings and lifestyle videos, including Boxycharm and clean with me's, whatever I'm feeling that day. All right, see you later. Bye.